Hi guys, welcome back to your favorite channel where we cook, clean, learn tips for healthy living while having great fun doing all of this. My name is Linda. Hope you all are doing great. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how I clean my kitchen. My kitchen is where food is kept, prepared and cooked, and where the dishes are washed. I will like to start off by loading the dishwasher with the dirty dishes. Wash the ones that is not safe with my hands for the dishwasher. Dry and keep them into the cabinet where they belong. I have to remove the filter from my extractor hood. I'm using this product to spray on it. Allow it to sit wet on the surface for 10 minutes. That's gonna help break down any of that oily, greasy stuff. Sometimes I wash with my hands or I use dishwasher, but today I'm using dishwasher. Now I have to start dusting from the top and also the windows. To wipe away all the grease grime here, I used warm water with natural vinegar and microfiber cloth. I will also be using all-purpose and dry microfiber cloth to wipe away all the fingerprints. Depending on the type of cooker you have, I have induction cooker, so this is what I use to clean it. I have to spray and allow for 5 to 10 minutes before wiping it away with microfiber cloth. I have to clean the windows. I will be cleaning the front of all the appliances with all-purpose cleaner. The refrigerator, the microwave, air fryer, and the juicer. I always use this product to wash my water boiler. You can see how dirty it is. Pour it inside the water boiler and leave it for 3 to 5 minutes before washing. I'm using this glass cleaner to clean the glass here. I have to wipe it away with the microfiber cloth. After 10 minutes, I have to clean the induction cooker with microfiber cloth. I have to wash the water boiler after 5 minutes. I will be cleaning the coffee machine with all-purpose cleaner and check if there is a dirty coffee filter with old coffee grounds in it. I have to clean from the top to the bottom of the cabinet. Coming to the sink, I used all-purpose and baking soda. This is going to help deodorize everything. Next, I'm taking a toothbrush, sponge, and scrub. The idea here is that you really want to dig in with that toothbrush and get to some of that gunk that is otherwise hidden. I will run hot water down there at the end. Then I have to pour in power gel drain cleaner. This will help your sink not to get blocked. You can be doing this at least once every 6 months. I will advise you to apply this in the night because you don't have to use the sink immediately. This is me taking a dancing break because I had some really tunes playing and a good song came on. And this is what I needed to do. You have to have a little fun when you are cleaning. I have to vacuum and mop with a bucket of hot water. Now I have to empty the dishwasher and fix back the filter from my extractor hood. That is a wrap. That is how I clean my kitchen. Thanks so much for checking out the video. All products that I used will be listed, linked down below for you. This is just a maintenance clean. There is a deeper kitchen clean, some more detailed work we can do, and I will release more kitchens cleaning videos in the future of some more stuff. But for now, that will be a good base, get you started as far as how often to do this cleaning. If this is your first time of tuning into my channel, please consider subscribing. Turn on my notification bell to be notified anytime I upload a new video. And to my returning subscribers, I always say thank you. Thank you for always tuning in. See you all in my next video. Bye bye.